The AutoCAD Multiline command, very useful command, particularly for architectural and civil. Any place you need a multiple of lines parallel to one another, allows you to draw a single line and have up to 16 lines attached to it. And we use this in architectural, perhaps to show the brick and the wall and the inside finish, or on roads where we might be showing the center line of the road, the curb of the road, and the size of the curb, for examples. We begin by going to the multiline style. To be able to use multilines, we have to create a style. The multiline style, we create what we need. We'll name it the name that it needs for the component, so it's usually related to the component that you're drawing. That's why it's called wall. Or if we're doing civil, we might call it road. We pick new, we enter the name, we click continue. It will begin with the settings that's already there for the standard, which is like a placeholder. We'll write a quick description. The caps, that is how it looks on the end, we will have closed ends on our particular wall. So line end caps is what we will create, the type of line. Note, all line elements in the multiline style are defined by an offset from a reference line, the multiline origin. Also note that in the elements section, all the line elements are listed in the descending order with respect to their offsets. So we'll go positive and negative. In this case, 2.5 minus 2.5. So we create these offsets, which will give us a 5-inch wall. We click OK to end our multiline style command. Note, in the preview section you can see a little picture of what your wall is going to look like. Very important, note that the Save button will save a multiline style to the library of multiline styles. By default, AutoCAD saves the styles, the multiline styles information, to a file called acad.mln. The Load button allows users to retrieve multiline styles from a library. Your Object Snap toolbar then is the next area that we address. You need to have that displayed. We'll be using Snap From, which is this symbol, icon. We'll be using that to locate a position using a relative coordinate. Down in the display bar, you'll need to reset the option buttons so that Snap, Mode, Grid, Display, Ortho, and Dynamic Input are switched on. Next, we'll begin drawing our multilines.